पालघर के दौरे पर आज आए कौशल विकास और उद्यमिता एवं शिक्षा केंद्रीय राज्य मंत्री जयंत चौधरी ने पालघर में स्थित श्री पीएम जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय का भ्रमण कर निरीक्षण करने के दौरान छात्रों से संवाद साधा और संवाद के माध्यम से कई क्लासों में जाकर छात्रों को दी जाने वाली शिक्षा के गुणवत्ता का जांच किया। स्कूल में आयोजित कला प्रदर्शनी को भी देखा। संगीत कक्षा में स्कूली बच्चों ने संगीत के साथ गर्मजोशी से उनका स्वागत किया और बच्चों के अनुरोध पर उन्होंने पियानो भी बजाया। इस स्कूल में पिछले 10 साल से काम कर रही सबसे बुजुर्ग महिला कर्मचारी से उन्होंने जरूरी बातचीत की। साथ ही स्कूल प्रशासन की समस्याओं के बारे में भी जानकारी लिया। उस वक्त उनके साथ पालघर के सांसद डॉक्टर हेमंत विष्णु सावरा, डीएम गोविंद बोड़के, विद्यालय के प्रिंसिपल और शिक्षक मौजूद थे।
सर इस बच्चे ने बनाया जरा थोड़ा
बहुत अच्छा बनाया, बताना ये ब्लॉक कार्ड बनाया, ये सबका बजा रहे। तो जब बनाते हो तो सबको आइडिया कि ये बनाना है या बस बनाते बनाते खुद ही बन जाता है आइडिया?
सर रुकिएगा।
बहुत अच्छा मम्मी पापा आते कि नहीं? देखो मैं मंत्रालय का जिम्मेदार में हूँ, स्कूल डिपार्टमेंट। कोई भी शिकायत हो, कोई बात हो, कोई दरखास्त हो, सुझाव बताओ क्या चाहिए यहाँ स्कूल में, क्या होना चाहिए? एनी आइडिया? रेनी सीजन में थोड़ा सा ये डीएम जी बैठे जाएंगे तो हो जाएगा। मेरी तरफ देख रहे हैं। हाँ ये करेंगे ना पक्का, जो वादा कर दिया। चलो पता है कितने मेडल जीते हैं क्या? Any child can tell me. There is one Indian who won 2 medals. मैं इशारे तो बहुत कर रहा हूँ ऐसे कौन सा डिसिप्लिन कौन सा in which she won 2 medals? नॉन के लिए 2 ब्रॉन्ज मेडल। जोर से बता। बोल रहा है वो सही है। बोलो बड़े जोर से बता। Take a guess. Who the? Shweta.
नहीं बोल रहे नीचे बोल रहे हैं ना
That's a principal challenge. How we are able to maintain the ecosystem. So India is also signatory to global private issue. You wanted to put up. So something is visible there right now.
Yes, sir.
As a chapter, यहाँ पर देखिए है. कोविड तो नहीं है.
Structure उसके बाद
Oh wow. Looks quite good. Looks like painting.
this is your name, sir. Beauty of nature that can live, can hold.
So many forms.
Yes.
And at that nano level. Thank you everyone. Yeah.
And the back tires will produce energy.
Yeah.
The solar panel will always face the sun. It will not.
Nokia man. Oh.
Regards to the street lights. Society nowadays. But many people feel at the end of this they waste a lot of money and their health is also disturbed. So basically what science is, you are what you eat. So means what we are going to eat, from that only we are going to get our nutrition. So these are some of the ice creams we can move towards frozen drinks. So we need to educate our youth because they are our upcoming generation.
इन्होंने ये डिजाइन किया था उनको पता था इसकी बनेगा शायद पर वो उस टाइप के उन्हें बना नहीं सकते थे क्योंकि बाहर सबके लोग उतने कैपेबल नहीं तो सर अगर आज इस जर्मनी में जब स्टडी किया गया तो इसकी वजह साइंस ये था कि अन्य एंट्री को परफॉर्म कैसे करते हैं उसमें वेरियस टाइप के इंग्रीडियंट्स डालते हैं जैसे काउडर हो गया फिर काउडर केक्स हो गए गुड़ हो गया घी हो गया और ब्राउन राइस हो गया
Things are little undocumented. Cannot be true. But I like. Sir, this one. Yeah. Sir. Yeah.
भारत माता की
दूर से हो इसी जिले से तो सबके घर यही है. इनको पहचानते हो आप शांति जी को? ये हेमंत जी हैं, इसी स्कूल के प्रोडक्ट हैं और इसी क्षेत्र के सांसद हैं, लोकसभा MP. He is representative of this entire constituency, region, people of. And he is responsible. He is the district magistrate. He is collector. Collector पुराना word है.
some the states में deputy commissioner
अभी भी deputy commissioner. All government schemes. What are you learning in maths?
Or other sums.
Okay. So it's fun when you solve it and it's right. Very clear.
Yes.
Chalo, enjoy your time.
We have
What did you learn in terms of skills? What do you
I have so many things. I have in that we learn that we have so many ideas and all, and how to use it, how
Structure.
structure them, and also we हमें basically हमें idea होने पर हमें इसे कैसे use करना चाहिए, और अगर हमारे पास idea होगी तो हम उससे अगर हम इसमें हमें हमने वो idea को develop भी किया.
Sometimes people think, especially the entrepreneur, they want to create something new, something unique. But there perhaps is not a single idea which is not already thought by them. So it's not just about the uniqueness of the idea, it's about how you structure it, how you create a brand around it. Those are the areas where people get paid the most. you're gonna get the most jobs in those two spaces. Actual production चीज बना रहा है, more and more you see with factory automation and technology that will be the picture. On ground, when you come and meet school children, it's always a delight. And there's a lot of talent. I saw the art paintings. What do you like to tell us? And the children here so that they can get inspired.
One of you please. Please, one of
बनेगा करोड़पति.
Thank you, sir. It's such an honor to be here. As you said, we were part of the family just recently. I graduated from JMV Palghar in 2017, and mine was the first batch who got the scholarship from Karta Initiative to come and study in the UK. So I studied in Edinburgh for 4 years with 3 more scholars. One of them was from JMV Palghar and another from 2 others from JMV Aurangabad. And then since last 3 years we have been working here, and surely one of the main reasons we all
Dipti, you're still in Scotland?
no sir, I moved to London 3 years back for work.
And what are you working? Which kind of work?
So right now I'm working in the social healthcare sector, and I focus on fundraising and partnerships and business development for an organization that is providing housing and support to those in need.
Okay, so the NHS you're looking at reforming then. Excellent.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
It's very nice to meet you. And yeah, I will just introduce myself again. My name is Salina, and I have been born and raised in Palghar, Boisar, and I joined the JMV Palghar in my class 6, and it's been a really long journey from Palghar to completing my higher education in Palghar, JMV Palghar, to class 6, and then starting my university in the University of Edinburgh. I am a final year undergraduate student studying biological sciences here in Scotland, and right now, like during my summer, I'm doing a summer internship. So then I'm working in a microbiology laboratory and getting experience in working in wet lab and other things like how my work life will be after I graduate. So I'm gaining some experience here, and yeah, my family is in Palghar, and I talk to them every day. And right now I'm missing to go back India for a while during my vacation and all. So the last time I visited was in the last summer, and yeah, I really had to meet everyone and see how everything is back in India. And I the one thing I would like to say to the students that are currently studying in the class 12 or class 10 is to do different things and try to get experience of doing different things while they're in school. So take part in extracurriculars and academics, and live the life to the fullest.
Are there any other universities? Canada. Both beautiful.
I am a part of Karta team.
Yeah.
I mean, I would rather like to hear students speak their stories. So I work in Pune region as a program officer. I'm one of the team member of Karta. So again, we are helping them out to,
How is the program running? Anuj, do you need any more support from the ministry? Anything that we're doing right, or anything you want to be improved? Let me know.
Sir, at present I'm in Gadchiroli. Yes. I mean, Shashank would, he would give you a better picture. Shashank, please.
I mean, sir, so the program is running very, very well. And so we are currently working in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Bihar, Jharkhand, and then Jammu and Kashmir. So I'm very happy to say that Maharashtra is one of the most supporting regions in all of our programs. The teachers, the principals, the faculty, everybody is just great. But you know, maybe like just as a dossier, we can send you a report of any support that is needed.
Please let
That
me
will be
know.
needed.
I hope you are able to expand to more regions because this is a promising initiative.
We're trying, sir. So right now, again in the program, Pan India, like 250 students are studying in different universities in India, UK, and Canada, either undergraduate or 100% scholarship as we speak right now. So that is the promise that lies here with JV students. Abhishek is here. He's sitting with Sachin. He studies at University of Toronto. So if you want, he can also talk about his experience.
What time is it there in Toronto right now, Abhishek?
So they are both in India, sir, right now they're
Yeah,
traveling. So they are here for the summer holidays.
You're here for the rains.
Yeah.
अगर अभी तक आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करके हमारी लेटेस्ट खबरों से रहे अपडेट।